In the short term, Xi is likely to remain in power because he is in firm control of all instruments of repression. But I am convinced that Xi will not remain in office for life, and while he is in office, China will not become the dominant military and political force that Xi is aiming for. Fortunately for Xi, he is not personally threatened from abroad because Biden is not interested in regime change in China. All he wants is to re-establish the status quo in Taiwan. Due to his weak position at home, Xi responded positively to Biden's offer to lower the temperature between the United States and China. But the discovery of a Chinese surveillance balloon traversing the length of the U.S. soured relations, and it's on its way to poison them altogether. Preliminary examination of the remains of that balloon indicate that it was designed to spy on military targets, not for meteorological observations. In any case, Xi Jinping's conversion to cooperation would have been only temporary and tactical. He would not be the man who he is if he could abandon his deeply felt beliefs so easily.